JJS 3-drawer rolling wood file cabinet with locking wheels, home office portable vertical mobile wooden storage filing cabinet for A4 or letter size, brown. Generous storage. This small file cabinet have 3 spacious drawers. You can pull all your essentials inside, like printing paper, pens, books, or even snacks. The bottom drawer accommodates letter and A4 size files. It fits under most desks for your convenience. Quality material. We use high-quality wooden MDF boards to ensure longevity of the item. Prepared with melamine, this office file cabinet is protected against everyday wear and tear. Cleaning is extremely easy. Just simply wipe with wet towel and it will look good as new. Durable casters. Our office cabinet comes with 4 rolling casters which can roll smoothly on both wooden floor and carpet. With the 2 lockable breaking wheels, it can also stand still with all your office supply rested on top, like printer. Easy assembly. This file cabinet is easy to assemble. All hardware are included in the package. With our detailed step-by-step instruction, you can finish the entire setup within 30 minutes. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. We want every customer can purchase without any worries. Our customer service team, based right here in US, works hard for years. Receive calls and messages to provide supports and solutions with the highest standard. 30-day risk-free guarantee and lifetime customer support on all of our products. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.